Hey, ever heard of grape jelly on meatballs? Sounds crazy, right? But stick around, these smoked meatballs might be the strangest thing you'll ever love, and the star of your 4th of July. I'll even show you easy oven and grill alternatives so anyone can make these. Here's what we'll need. 2 pounds of ground beef, finely chopped onion, salt, pepper, ketchup, milk, breadcrumbs, Worcestershire sauce, a beaten egg, and some garlic powder. And stick around for the 2-ingredient special sauce we're going to glaze these smoked gems with. Don't be shy with your salt and pepper, and a splash of milk to help it bind all together. Don't overmix your Hamburg mixture. We're just going to lightly mix it till it's all incorporated. We don't want a tough meatball. Okay, let's get these meatballs rolled. And I'm using a cookie scoop just so I can have uniform meatballs so they cook evenly. This is going to make enough meatballs to feed a crowd. We're probably going to get around 50 meatballs out. Okay, let's get these meatballs rolled and on the smoker. I'll be preheating my smoker now to 220 degrees. Okay, last one. And I believe we got about 53 meatballs. Let's get these on the smoker. We have the smoker preheated to 220 degrees. And they'll smoke for about 1 hour until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees. No smoker? No problem. Grill them 350 degrees, medium-high heat for approximately 20 minutes. Or bake them in the oven, 350 degrees, 20 minutes. And for our magic 2-ingredient sauce, chili sauce and grape jelly. Yup, that's it. While our meatballs are smoking, we're gonna mix up our glaze. Remember, our 2-ingredient glaze, grape jelly and chili sauce. And you don't have to heat this up. You can just mix it together and pour it over your meatballs if you're gonna throw them in a crock pot or throw them back in the oven. Today I'm gonna heat this up on the stove, and then when the meatballs are done, we're gonna stick them in a pan and pour this glaze over them and then throw them back on the smoker at 350 for about 15 minutes just to get that glaze thick and sticky, just how we're gonna love it. This recipe is just 1-to-1. So I'm gonna put a whole 12-ounce jar, since we have 53 meatballs I got out of that batch. And to that, clean up my mess, to that, I'm going to add about 12 ounces of grape jelly. Now these aren't real sweet. The chili sauce counteracts the grape jelly. And you can even add a pinch of peppers to this if you want a little bit hotter. It's all in how you like your taste. So let's just give this a stir, and then we're going to heat this up on the burner. Oh, that smells delicious already. Okay, let's get this on the burner.
She's not around, so we're going to take a little sneak peek at these things there. Yeah. Oh, here she comes.
Okay, our meatballs are done. Oh, look at that. I can't even tell you how amazing these smell. Okay, let's get them in a pan. Rod's going to dump these all into this pan for us. Smoking low and slow gives you this mahogany color and keeps the juices in the meatball. Okay, let's get these glazed up. Crazy easy sauce, just 2 ingredients. Create a glaze that's sweet, tangy, and downright addictive. This is a vintage party trick that's been around for decades, and there are never any leftovers. So we're just gonna pour this glaze over our meatballs. We're gonna put this back on the Traeger for about 15 minutes on high, just to get this glaze thick and glossy. Okay, we're back at the Traeger. We turned it up on high. We're gonna put these meatballs back on till the glaze thickens and gets nice and glossy. Glaze is thick and bubbling. Let's get these plated up. Sweet, smoky, and spicy all in one bite. There's a reason this is a classic party hit. I guarantee you there won't be a meatball left. Your guests will be popping these in their mouths like candy. Okay, let's give these a try.
Oh yeah, delicious.
Hey, thanks for hanging out. And if you give these smoked meatballs a try, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more fun barbecue recipes. Thanks for watching. Happy 4th of July. See you next time. Thanks for watching.